Our starter tonight is a very, very delicious tagliatelle wild mushrooms. And wild mushrooms this time of year is absolutely perfect because it really is now mushroom season. Service, please. Now, what's the secret behind cooking mushrooms?
Cook the thicker ones first and the thinner ones later so that the ones that have too much water.
More importantly, let me just show you. Grab a handful of mushrooms, OK? Just a few of each mushroom. Watch the water that comes out. Yeah, it's just water.
We're using a mixture of wild mushrooms, including shiitake, girole and trompette de mort. The reason wild mushrooms are great is they have a much more intense flavour.
OK, good. Hot pan.
I sauté the mushrooms with shallots in a very hot pan to get a really good flavour. I start off with oil because butter burns too easily. Once the mushrooms start to cook, a knob of butter finishes off the flavour beautifully.
My brigade this week are Angie. Great to have her back in the kitchen, especially being a woman. This week, Angie's joined by Neil, a wee Scot in the corner, but a big talent. And of course, I've got my right-hand man, Mark Sargent. My two commies this week are Stosey from Lancashire and Russell from Blackpool. On order, 4 covers table 12, 4 tagliatelle wild mushrooms, 4 venison, 4 rhubarb crumble.
Wait.
No answer, Stosey.
Wait.
Wait.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, come on, I want to hear you, please. Let's go now, Stosey. Pressure's on now, yes?
Yep.
Heat's turned up. Let's see if we can cut it. Turn that water down, because the pasta's going to overcook in literally seconds, yeah?
Yes, chef.
How long, Stosey?
1 minute,
Yeah,
chef.
make this one the best one, sweetheart, yes?
I will. Yes,
Otherwise,
chef.
you're taking an early shower.
Yes, chef.
Russell and Stosey are just 2 of over 1,000 people who apply to work in the F-Word kitchen. I put the best 100 through a weekend of tests and challenges to find the 12 who would make it to the restaurant.
That looks like it's just come out of a dishwasher.
Each week, 2 trainees compete head-to-head for a chance to win a job in one of my kitchens.
Stop what you're doing. Everybody, hello, stop what you're doing.
Each week, someone has to go home.
You're going home, and you'll stay.
Thank you.
You are staying. Clear down. Yes, sweep the floor, but try to do it with some cling film over your mouth. Yeah?
Gordon,
Off you go.
I love you today.
Tonight in the kitchen, it's Stosey.
I think it tastes quite nice.
She's a chef of 14 years who's never worked as part of a team.
I love seeing customers or people that eat my food who seem to think it did the right thing, it hit the right spot.
And joining her is Russell, a catering student from Blackpool whose parents run a Chinese takeaway.
Good taste.
That is actually bloody delicious.
I've definitely got a lot to learn, and that's the whole reason why I've come to this competition, is because I want to learn from the best people.
You tasted it?
Yes, chef.
Yeah, and?
I think it's OK, chef.
Pasta's overcooked. Stop.
Right.
Taste it. If you don't know that now, you should be in a kitchen. You know that.
Right, chef.
Pasta's like glue. It's
Right.
not even, it's got no bite to it. It's lost it's greasy, it's
Yes,
not
chef.
good. Start again.
Yeah.
Take the mushrooms out. 4 more tagliatelle. Come on, Russell, please. The pasta goes in at the last minute. Even from
Yes,
the
chef.
heat of the mushrooms helps to cook the pasta even more.
Yes,
So
chef.
it should be dipped in there. Your hand should leave the basket, in, out, into the mushrooms.
Yes, chef.
I know not everyone has time, but pasta dough is really easy to make. Just combine flour, eggs and olive oil in a food processor. Remove and knead for about 2 to 3 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Wrap in cling film and chill for at least half an hour.
The secret behind making good pasta is not allowing it to dry out, so you have to really move your arse. Right, Stosey and Russell, let's go. First thing we have is a nice floured table. Roll the pasta, just to take a little bit of the sort of weight off the pasta machine. So we just get it a little bit thin, so it starts to go through the machine, OK? And let the machine do the work. Every time it goes through the machine, it goes down a number. Yeah? Now to cut it, fold it nice and neatly, but while we fold it, we just sprinkle it with flour. Here we go, up and round, and then from there, nice long length pasta. Look at where we are. You don't really want any longer than that because you've got to think of the customers pulling it from their bowl. So let's go there, shall we?
Okay.
Yeah? Tagliatelle, 1 piece through, back of the hand, in the machine. Yes? Up, and look, here it comes. It's almost like going to the hairdresser, isn't it? That nice fringe. Let those little bits dangle off, and then dry on to there, yes? There we go. Let's go. Nice. Very nice. The most important thing about the presentation with the tagliatelle of mushrooms is get your tongue and twist the tagliatelle round so it almost shapes a really nice ball in the centre of the plate. Then get your wonderful sautéed mushrooms, oozing of garlic and shallots, and just let them sort of fall on top of the tagliatelle. But the secret is to make sure the tagliatelle is not all broken up, just like that, nice and relaxed. Parmesan cheese on there, quickly.
Yes, chef.
Let's go, Stosy. Move over, that's it. No, there you go. Got to be on your toes in the kitchen, you know that?
Yes, chef.
Yeah, you're heavy-footed, like a little baby elephant running around. Clump, 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 clump. Go, table 2, please. Go, 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 go. 4 tagliatelle, how long? After that, 4 more tagliatelle away, please. Hello.
Hello.
How was the tagliatelle of wild mushrooms?
It's very nice. We put a bit of seasoning.
A little bit more seasoning.
A little bit more seasoning.
I thought it tasted amazing. The pasta, the mushrooms, the garlic, the herbs, unbelievable. All so many tastes in one go. It's unbelievable. It's amazing.
Very nice. I wouldn't attempt it myself, but it was very good.
Nothing was overpowering, but you could taste every individual ingredient. It was really beautiful.